In this video we're going to do some Python code, nothing too fancy or complicated, just pure basics. Firstly we're going to do the usual hello world, so I will go here and type print, open brackets and then open inverted commas and type hello world inside it. Let me know in the comments down below if this is the same way you start to learn a new programming language. We can run it by pressing the play button located on here, the top right corner, and the output will be shown here on the console. Next we will use variables. We will just store a number and a string, saving number 5 in number and drawn here inside the string. Then we can display them on our terminal by using the same print command we used before, and just referencing the variable used over here. In the next example we will do some arithmetic operations, so we will add 1 plus 4 and store it in the result variable, then print out the result. We can confirm, to no surprise to anyone, that the number and the result is 5. Now let's do a comparison. We shall compare if 10 is greater than 5 and store it in comp1. And then in the next example we will also confirm that 10 is not equal to 5. Let's print the result of these as well to our console, so we can confirm that our comparisons are as expected. Alrighty, with that done, let's accept some user input now and print it to the console. Here we will ask our user to insert something and then we will just print it to the console. We will make use of the input command and in the brackets we will type in what the user will be shown on the console. Let's run this quickly, and here I managed to sneak in a reminder to subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful as well, so that would be awesome. Let's see how we can make an if statement now. To showcase this example we will be asking the user for input and then check the value if it's greater or smaller than 6. Let's ask for the user input first, and note here that I'm inputting everything inside the int open bracket close bracket. This is to convert the user input, which is a string, into an integer. To confirm all is working, I will run it and insert 4 to confirm that the input captured by this criteria is actually less than 6, which is correct. Now let's do the same with a bigger number, which is also here confirmed to be correct and handled properly by our if statement. As a final example, let's do a do-while loop. We will define variable x here, which we will use as a counter. The loop will be while true, which means that we will not exit the loop until it is broken. To confirm it is working properly, we will print out the value of x, then increment the value of x by 1 on each loop. Let's also include an if function here, which will check if the value is greater than 7, and if it is, we break the loop. You might have noticed that I'm commenting multiple lines at a time. This can be done by selecting the lines you would like to comment and then hitting Ctrl and K and C all together, which will comment the lines accordingly. In our console we can confirm that the loop is done and it stopped looping when x reached a value which is greater than 7. That is all for this video. I'd like you to obliterate the like button if you liked it, or dislike it if you didn't. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, keep learning.